Amigos, bienvenidos. Let's enjoy the journey in Madrid with Huawei Cloud.
Harika.
Waardeer het teamwerk heel erg.
Nagyon tetszik.
Vamos, Huawei Cloud.
Security, efficiency, and partnership.
Global success is never a solo act. It happens with partners who share your vision. Coach System selected Huawei because its right-size services, unified single pane management, and commitment to local data residency are the key differentiators.
I think after these few years, it really feels like we're the same Champions League football team. The people from Huawei, always top level, high quality, and they're working with us together to get sometimes really complicated issues off the table, and migrating whole cloud, not an easy thing. Super happy to be also surrounded by people who always want to make the most out of the situation and who help us every part of the way.
Over the university with Huawei together developed a new system based in EA and the cloud technology to develop the research systems and the education system.
One inspiring story is that when we work with our retail partners in Europe to underpin the top retail customers' challenges, we collaborated very closely to share the vision, share the industry know-how, and ultimately deliver the business results. The experience really demonstrated the power of partnership to make our customer success.
That's a high five for a partnership.
Huawei Cloud is our rollout partner in China, and for us it's very important because we need somebody reliable that can give us the right infrastructure for our technology staff to process AI, for large storage, compute, and so on.
Better resilience, better innovation, and better ecosystem.
We want to be the bridge between China and Europe.
Better cloud for Turkey.
A better cloud
For Spain.
for Western Europe.
欧洲万里有云桥。
3 points. The first point is that we have launched the third AZ of our island regions, and it increased our cloud service reliability more than 10 times. So we will give our customers more excellent service. And the second, we have shown our full stack AI capabilities. You can see in our booth for our AI models to our AI agent platform and a lot of AI applications. Huawei Cloud, we will have this ambition to be the AI pioneers in the industries. And finally, you can see a lot of partners have joined the event. It shows our ecosystem is booming. The event now is finished, but the vibe we create together is just beginning.